Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Best Book Tales is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for any book lover looking to add a touch of whimsy and personality to their reading experience, offering a unique way to mark your page while also serving as a delightful decorative item. These charming creations, often handcrafted with intricate details, transform a simple bookmark into a miniature work of art, bringing beloved characters or fantastical creatures to life right at the edge of your novel. Whether you're a collector of unique stationery or simply seeking a more engaging way to keep your place, Book Tales provide a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal that elevates the simple act of reading into something truly special and visually engaging. Number 5. Book Nook Kit, Blossom Florists. Discover the joy of crafting with our DIY miniature flower shop kit. It's designed for everyone, from beginners to seasoned crafters, offering an engaging and rewarding experience. Step into a beautifully detailed retro flower shop, inspired by a quaint European town. This cozy nook captures the essence of life's special moments and the warmth of nature's beauty. Enjoy a fun and immersive DIY experience with our 3D wooden puzzle. With 265 pieces that slot together, it's a satisfying project that takes about 4 to 6 hours to complete. Patience is key. Your kit includes all the wooden pieces, clear instructions, and an LED light set for a magical finish. Please note, glue and batteries are not included. Surprise the special people in your life with this unique miniature house kit. It's an ideal gift for those who adore flowers, nature, and the satisfaction of creating something beautiful. We ensure all parts are complete and checked before shipping. Should you encounter any issues during assembly, our support team is ready to assist you immediately. What we like? This miniature flower shop offers a charming escape into a world of vibrant details and heartfelt stories. If you're looking for a relaxing and rewarding DIY project that results in a beautiful display piece, this is for you. It's perfect for craft enthusiasts who enjoy intricate work and a touch of European charm. What people say. The book is a great way to teach kids about different dog breeds and their characteristics. The illustrations are beautiful and engaging, making it a joy for children to look at. It's a well-written and informative book that provides interesting facts about dogs. Number 4. The Giant Ice Cream Mess, an Acorn book. Get ready for a hilariously messy story about a giant ice cream disaster. It's a tale that will have you laughing out loud. Follow along with a group of adventurous kids as they encounter an unbelievable situation. Their reactions are priceless. Imagine an ice cream treat that gets bigger and bigger, causing all sorts of chaos. This is one scoop you won't forget. Discover how friendship helps navigate through the sticky predicament. It's a heartwarming story with plenty of giggles. This book is designed to captivate young minds with its engaging narrative and fun illustrations. It's an ideal read for a cozy afternoon. Dive into the exciting world of the Fox Tales series with this installment. Each book offers a unique and memorable adventure. What we like? Dive into a fun and messy adventure with this delightful tale of an ice cream mishap. If you're searching for an entertaining read for young children that sparks imagination and giggles, this book is an excellent choice. It's ideal for parents and educators looking for lighthearted stories that kids will love. What people say. The book is a great introduction to the world of tales, with detailed illustrations and engaging descriptions. It covers the character's origins, abilities, and key moments in his history, making it a comprehensive guide for fans. The quality of the paper and printing is excellent, ensuring the book is a pleasure to hold and read. Number 3. Tiger Tales Self-Help Guide to Happy Muscles book. Discover the secrets to understanding and relieving stubborn muscle knots. This guide empowers you to take control of your recovery and get back to what you love. Explore over 250 detailed illustrations that map pain patterns and trigger points. It's a visual roadmap to understanding your body's discomfort. No special training needed. Learn simple, step-by-step techniques to release tension at home. It's your personal guide to natural pain relief. Developed by the inventor of Tiger Tail and a therapeutic expert, this book combines innovation with practical knowledge for effective results. This compact guide is perfect for quick reference, fitting easily into your gym bag or desk. Keep effective solutions always within reach. What we like? This guide provides a clear path to understanding and relieving stubborn muscle knots and pain. If you suffer from persistent aches or want to proactively manage your body's tension, this is an invaluable resource. It's perfect for athletes, desk workers, or anyone seeking practical, at-home solutions for muscle discomfort. What people say. The book is a great read for anyone interested in the history of storytelling. It offers a unique perspective on how narratives have evolved over time. The author's research is thorough and well presented, making complex ideas accessible. Number 2. Tales Are Not for Pulling Board book. Discover a gentle way to interact with pets. This book teaches children why pulling a tail can hurt our furry friends. Learn important lessons about kindness and respect towards animals. It's a fun way to build good habits. Explore this story in both English and Spanish. It's perfect for bilingual households or for learning a new language. Designed for little hands, this sturdy board book can withstand lots of reading adventures. It's made to last. Help your child understand the feelings of animals. This book encourages compassion and gentle interactions. Introduce your child to responsible pet ownership early on. It's a valuable addition to any child's library. What we like. Learn essential lessons about respecting pets in both Spanish and English with this durable board book. If you have young children who are learning about animals and how to interact with them gently, this is a must-have. It's ideal for toddlers and preschoolers developing their understanding of kindness and appropriate behavior. What people say. The book is well written and engaging, with a compelling plot and relatable characters. The illustrations are beautiful and add to the overall charm of the story. It's a great read for all ages, offering a timeless tale of friendship and adventure. Number 1. Pig Costume Accessories Set. Get ready for some oinking good fun. This adorable set is perfect for transforming your little one into a playful piglet. With fuzzy ears, a cute bow tie, and a wagging tail, this kit has everything needed for a complete transformation. It's the ultimate accessory for any pig-themed adventure. Designed for comfort, the accessories are soft and lightweight. Your child can wear them for hours of imaginative play without any fuss. Whether for toddlers or kids, this set offers a delightful way to dress up. It's ideal for parties, Halloween, or just everyday dress-up fun. Bring a smile to everyone's face with this charming pig costume accessory set. It's a simple way to add a touch of whimsical fun to any occasion. What we like. Transform your little one into an adorable piglet with this complete accessory kit. If you need a quick and easy costume solution for parties, Halloween, or dress-up play, this set is perfect. It's ideal for parents looking for a fun, hassle-free way to bring a beloved character to life for their children. What people say. The book is a great way to teach kids about different dog breeds and their characteristics. The illustrations are beautiful and engaging, making the book a joy to read. This book is a fantastic resource for dog lovers of all ages, providing interesting facts and trivia about various breeds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.